All right, fans, it's Motorcycle Rally Night tonight at the ballpark. Please direct your attention to our center field gates as we start the motorcycle parade.
Now on the day I was born, the nurses all gathered round, and they gazed in wide wonder at the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. I broke 1,000 hearts before I met you. I'll break 1,000 more, baby, before I am through. I wanna be yours, pretty baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, that I'm bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. I make a rich woman beg, and I make a good woman steal. I make an old woman blush, and I make a young girl.
High five.
Take it easy. So right. Take it easy. So right.
A dynamite.
Take it easy. So right. Take it easy. I'm in the mood. The rhythm is right. Move to the music. We can roll all night.
All right, Miners fans, one more big round of applause for our motorcycle riders as they join us for the parade and Motorcycle Rally Night out here at the ballpark.
This is very nice.
Take it easy. So right. Take it easy. Slow down. Slow down. Got to get your love one more time. Roll it. Roll it. Slow riding woman, you're so fine.
Well, fans, it looks like Lucky and Big John have also joined in on the fun as they ride in on a couple of motorcycles. The fans, how about a big round of applause for Lucky and Big John and the riders that are taking them around the field.